You've probably seen these faces before: glowing skin, perfect symmetry, flawless videos, yet not a single one of them is real. Meet Aitana Lopez, a virtual model from Spain earning over $10,000 a month. Lil Miquela, with millions of followers, has modeled for Prada and Samsung, and dozens of others, none human. They're fully AI-generated influencers built from text prompts, voice clones, and motion tools. Today, I'll show you exactly how you can build one from scratch using affordable AI tools step by step, and you don't need to show your face, hire a model, or learn animation. Everything is handled by AI. Stick around till the end. I'll also share how creators are monetizing these virtual personalities for real income. Step 1. Create your influencer persona with ChatGPT. Before generating any visuals, we first need to design our influencer's identity, how they'll look, what niche they belong to, and their overall vibe. And we're going to do this using ChatGPT's custom GPT called AI Influencer/Character Maker. To use it, head over to the Explore GPTs section on ChatGPT. In the search bar, type AI Influencer/Character Maker. You'll see this GPT pop up. Click Start Chat. This GPT is basically your personal AI influencer designer. It helps you build a perfect prompt for generating your influencer's base image. If you already have a reference photo, you can upload it. But if you don't, click on this option. Let's design your AI influencer from scratch. ChatGPT will now start asking you a few short questions about your influencer's look. For example, body type, face shape, eye color, hair length and style, clothing and accessories, background or mood for the image. Just answer these quickly in bullet points. Once you've filled in your answers, ChatGPT will ask which model you want to use for image generation. Choose OpenAI Image Generator, since we'll create our image right here inside ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will automatically generate the final image prompt for you. Copy that prompt, then click the plus icon right under the message box, select Create Image, and paste the prompt there. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will start generating your influencer's first image. And here it is, your AI influencer, fully designed from scratch. This image will act as your base reference for all the upcoming steps. Step 2. Upload and train your influencer in Influencer Studio. Now that our AI influencer image is ready, it's time to upload it to Influencer Studio. This platform turns still images into realistic AI influencers. Start by heading to influencer.studio and create a free account. Once you're signed in, click on the Influencer tab at the top, then click Get Started. You'll now see two setup options. I already have photos. This option is perfect if you've created your base images. Or you can select Generate Photos with AI. This lets the platform design everything from scratch. Since we already generated our influencer's photos, choose I already have photos. You'll be taken to a new window. Here, enter your influencer's name. Then, upload 5 to 10 high-quality images of your influencer. Make sure each image has a different pose or expression: smiling, looking sideways, close-up, or casual. This helps the AI understand facial structure and train the model more accurately. Once your photos are uploaded, you'll see them appear in a grid preview with a green check mark that says Ready to Create. Click Create Influencer. Influencer Studio will now process your uploads and start building a digital version of your influencer's identity. This step might take a few minutes depending on server speed and image quality, so let it complete. Step 3. Exploring features in Influencer Studio. With Influencer Studio, you actually have an incredible range of options to work with. From generating full videos to upscaling images, enhancing realism, swapping faces, changing outfits, or even removing unwanted objects. Everything can be done inside one platform. Let's try one of these tools in action. We'll start by changing our influencer's outfit to create a new scene. First, click the plus icon and add image. Then upload an outfit photo, something that fits your influencer's style, like a formal outfit for a business event or a smart casual look for an outdoor shoot. Now go to Actions, click on Change My Outfit, and hit Generate. The AI will process it in a few seconds. And there it is. The outfit has been replaced perfectly, matching lighting and posture as if it were designed for her. It looks seamless and completely natural. If you notice a small mismatch in the background, don't worry, that's easy to fix. Just type a simple prompt like, "Show the influencer at a modern city cafe during sunset." Click Generate again, and you'll instantly get a new version of your image with a perfectly fitting environment. This not only fixes any inconsistencies, but also gives your content a fresh and realistic feel. If you want to push the quality even further, you can go to Actions, increase realism, and hit Generate. The result will have a sharper, high-end DSLR effect. Great lighting, detailed textures, and natural tones. It truly brings your AI influencer to life. Now let's take this a step further and turn our image into a video. Type the prompt, turn this image into a realistic short video. Click Generate, and Influencer Studio will begin rendering the clip using its latest video model, giving your influencer lifelike expressions and subtle body movement. It might take a minute or two to process, but the result is worth it. Once it's ready, hit play, and you'll see your influencer moving, blinking, and interacting just like a real person. The realism is seriously impressive. From gestures to facial details, everything looks smooth and natural. You can even download the video directly with one click. Now, let's explore another fun feature, Face Swap. For this, you'll need two images, one of your influencer and another target image where you want the face to appear. Add both files, go to Actions, choose Face Swap, and click Generate. Within seconds, the new version appears with the face seamlessly applied, perfect for creative projects or content variations. If something doesn't look quite right, simply adjust your prompt and regenerate until you're happy with the result. These are just a few of the tools inside Influencer Studio, but there's much more to explore. You can remove objects, refine lighting, and even apply pre-made style filters to instantly change the theme or color tone of your images. So whether you want to create lifestyle posts, professional brand reels, or cinematic influencer scenes, Influencer Studio gives you all the creative tools in one place. Step 4. Build your social presence. Now it's time to bring your AI influencer to life on social media. Start by creating profiles on Instagram and TikTok, and make sure you use the same username on both platforms. Something short, clean, and searchable. Upload one of your best AI-generated images as the profile picture. Then write a simple and authentic bio. Next, post your first 5 videos back-to-back. This helps the algorithm recognize your niche quickly and start testing your content with new viewers. After that, aim for 3 reels per week to maintain consistency. Step 5. Monetization models that actually work. Once your AI influencer starts getting attention and views, it's time to turn that into real income. The first and most common way is through affiliate marketing. You can promote products that fit your influencer's niche. For example, if your influencer is in fitness, you could promote protein powders, gym outfits, or home workout gear. Just place affiliate links in the bio and earn a small commission from every sale. Another way is through brand deals and UGC content. Many brands are now paying for virtual influencer videos. You can offer this service on platforms like Collabster or Fiverr and charge anywhere between $50 to $500, depending on how realistic your videos look. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI creation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.